This week, I discovered an AI tool that lets me quickly make songs and videos like these.
Radio plays our favorite song. Windows down, I feel the evening glow. Heartbeats humming all night long. Take me back to when we believed in forever.
So let me get one thing clear. I have zero skills as a musician, but with this new AI tool, I was able to make those songs and videos super easily. And you can use this to make all different types of songs and videos. Here's another type that I made as an example. I'm loving what this tool can do. I see so many people who want to start music video YouTube channels or just want to make songs and videos to go with them as part of like their creative expression. And this is the easiest way to do that I found to date. So in this video, I figured I'd run through what the AI tool I found is that can do this for you. I'll show you how to make a song quickly and easy. And then finally, I'll show you how to make that music video to go with your song, all inside the single tool. Okay, cool. So starting off, the tool that I'm using to create these AI music videos and AI songs, that tool is called aivideo.com. I've been using them for quite a while now. There's a link to reach that website in the description to this video. And the song and music video generation feature is a new AI that they've launched inside their tool this week. And we're going to now look at how to create a song in there using their new AI music generator. We're going to create a K-pop style song, similar to this K-pop style song that I made in there a little earlier.
Ready to go. I feel the beat in my heart. Step by step, we glow up. Light it up.
Cool. So to create a K-pop song in that style, we just head down inside aivideo.com to their new music generator right here, and we just give that a click. And here's where we generate our songs. We can simply just type instructions in this box here to tell the generator what type of song we want generated. And then we can choose the length of our song here and how many songs we want generated in each generation. So how many versions we want to be able to check through to see which one is the one we want to use. Then I'm going to choose 30 seconds for the song length. Let's generate 2 songs now so that we have some variety to choose from. And then simply, I just need to press generate here. You then see this screen that shows you that your song is being generated, and this literally takes no time at all, maybe 20 to 30 seconds, and these songs should be done, and I'll play these when they're finished. Great, that literally took around 30 seconds, and now they're finished. Let's give these a listen.
Hands up, feel the vibe, no one not heartbeat. One more time, touch the sky. Ready? Light it up. Let's go.
So super simple and fast to create a song, and songs of any types. I had a lot of fun using this earlier and just testing out as many different styles and genres as I could think of. And this AI music generator could handle any type of song request that I put in there. So just for generating songs, I'd encourage you to just jump in and have a little play around and just like let your creativity run wild. But we don't have a video yet for our song. We've just got our K-pop song. So let's jump back in and I'll show you how easy and straightforward it is to make a nice looking music video for this song. So I've downloaded that song and I'm back at this main screen inside AI Video. And to generate that video for my song I've just made, I just need to click on this See More option here because it's not currently available in these top rows. And here it is, hidden down here. It's in beta right now. You can see this music video generator. We're going to click that and create a video to our K-pop song. So here, I'm just going to upload the K-pop song that I liked best out of those 2 that I just generated. I'll just do that now. And once that's uploaded, we can sample it by pressing this play button here. So that's the track we're working with. You can right click to annotate the track to tell the AI what's happening in your song. So here I could write, for example, that the male K-pop singer is singing in English, just to give the AI a better understanding of what is happening in the track, and press add annotation. And you can also add annotations that describe what the singer is talking about. So check this out.
Feel the magic.
So I can write that the singer is singing about feeling the magic, and the AI might decide to use that when deciding what visuals to create for this video. So really useful to annotate your track up here to be as descriptive as possible to guide the AI when it's deciding what to put in your videos. Next, you choose if you want your video to be portrait for like YouTube Shorts or TikTok, or landscape for like a long form YouTube video. So I'm going to choose landscape here and just tell the AI that this is a K-pop song. And down here, it's as easy as just describing what you want your video to be about. So I like to keep this quite brief and top level. So here's the prompt I've used for this video, but you can make it more detailed than this if you want to have more control over what's shown in your video. I'll make sure to put this prompt here for this music video that I'm making, and also the prompts I use for the music videos you saw at the start. I'll put all of those prompts in the description to this video so that you can copy and paste those prompts if you want, or just learn from the prompts I use for my videos when you're making your own original videos with new concepts. And this is the coolest part down here. If we scroll down, the music video generator has all of these preset styles that you can use to create your video in. So these are like really popular music video design styles. For the video that you saw in the opening, you'll see it on screen now, that sort of fantasy Stranger Things style video. This was the style I used for that. I did another video using the surreal underwater style. I'll show that on screen quickly now. It makes every shot look like people are underwater surrounded by goldfish. So not very often that you'll need to use this, but it was cool nonetheless. And if we scroll up, this is the one I've been really liking to use. This kind of gives everything like a nostalgic Polaroid style. So I'm going to choose this again now to show you what it looks like. But yeah, jump in, have a play with most of these styles. They all look pretty great. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you think is the best one. But we'll press generate now using that disposable flashback style. And now you'll get taken to this screen, and all you have to do really is wait for the AI to do its thing. It's completely hands off from this point onwards. The AI is going to analyze your track, the instructions that you gave it. It's going to study kind of like the tempo and the beat in your track, the feeling, the vibe of the track, the ideas you had for your video, and it's just go to generate a video from start to finish for you completely automatically. So we'll check in with this when it's finished, and I'll show you what a video looks like once it's gone through that process on its own. Cool, that's finished now. I'd say it took 5 minutes max, but I now have a fully generated music video for my AI song. So we're going to play this and give this a watch. One thing I want to warn you about, there's a problem I've noticed from using this earlier. So actually, I'll play 10 seconds and see if you can notice what it is.
Hands up, feel the vibe, no one not a heartbeat. One more time, touch the sky. We're electric.
Okay, so the problem. This generator seems to have a habit of adding like this wavy effect on all the shots it makes, and also like zooming in loads on every shot that it makes. So to turn that off, I've just got into the habit of deleting all of these zooms down here from the editor, and the wavy lines too, by just pressing delete on those two layers. And if we go back to the start, we'll now have the video without any of that stuff on top of it.
Hands up, feel the vibe, no one not a heartbeat. One more time, touch the sky.
That's just way more my style. You might like the zooms and the blur, but I don't. And I love that you can just easily delete it from the timeline down here by just selecting those things and pressing delete. So you may notice that everything in the video has like this old Polaroid vintage feel to it. And that's because we use that flashback style template when we generated this video. And it kind of makes everything look kind of like suburban America. Like we got this guy here that doesn't look very Korean at all, does he? But check out the difference we get with another AI music video for exactly the same track, using exactly the same prompts, just without that vintage flashback style applied to it. I'm just going to zoom out and delete those zooms and that VHS effect again. Now let's give this a watch.
Hands up, feel the vibe, no one not a heartbeat. One more time, touch the sky.
So completely different style of video here on this second example compared to that first that I showed you, purely because I didn't use a music video style template on this second one and I did on the first. So those style templates are super powerful, really convenient to use, but only use them if the style is the exact style that you want to use on your music video, because your music video will end up looking like the style template you chose, just like this one you're seeing on screen now that I made first. I want to show you quickly these effects here too, because these are really great for customizing your video too. Like, we can drag them onto individual clips here in the timeline. Actually, let's just zoom into the timeline so you can see this a bit more clearly. So on this clip, you can see the effect has been applied there. If we just scrub through the clip, we can see that audio glow happening on the clip. I can increase the strength of the glow or decrease it, fine tune any of the settings using these sliders here. And if I play that clip now, we'll see the effect in action. I can just change this by pressing delete and choosing a different effect. So let's try this magic mosh effect. Press play again. We can just turn that down a bit so it's not as intense. Come back here. Look at that, I love it. So easy to throw these on and make it look good. I've just had a ton of fun this week making these AI songs and music videos, and I wanted to make a video showing how easy it is to do this. It's so convenient being able to do all of this stuff in one place. So really cool new feature from aivideo.com. I'll put prompts, the exact text prompts that I use for any song or music video that you've seen today. All the prompts for them are going to be in the description to this video, along with the link to aivideo.com. So you can click that and start using the tool to do all this stuff yourself. There's actually a 20% off code in the description down there. So you can do this for even cheaper if you use that link and that code below in the description. And in addition to that, I've made a complete AI filmmaking walkthrough right here on how to use that platform, aivideo.com, to make AI films. So make sure to watch that next, because you want to be making sure you're getting the most out of this tool if you're using it. Watch that next. Subscribe to the channel. It's been a pleasure, and I'll see you on the next one.